Hi, I'm Gundi from STEYR Arms, and today I would like to introduce you to the STEYR Arms bolt-action sniper rifle line, the SSG series. We have two different concepts. One is the fixed barrel rifles with fixed caliber, and the second one, the newest one, are the multi-caliber SSG M1s. Now let's get into details. Let's start with the fixed caliber bolt-action rifles. First, the STEYR SSG SX. SX stands for the synthetic stock of the rifle. So it's a very lightweight sniper rifle available in caliber 308, 7.62x51 or 300 Win Mag. The rifle comes with a lot of features. First of all, it has a very effective muzzle brake, which also accepts quick detachable suppressors. The rifle also comes with a detachable Harris bipod, a 10-round magazine in caliber 7.62, 308, or an 8-round magazine in caliber 300 Win Mag. It also has a Picatinny rail with 20 minutes of angle, so also for long-range shooting, everything is prepared. Plus an adjustable cheek piece for the buttstock. Next is the STEYR SSG 08. The SSG 08 is also available in caliber 338 La Pure. So you have the complete range with the 7.62 up to 800 meters, 300 Win Mag around 1000 meters, and 338 La Pure up to 1200 meters. The STEYR SSG 08 has the same features as the STEYR SSG SX, only it has a different stock. This rifle comes with a folding aluminium stock. It folds to the left, so the trigger is always accessible. Of course, also the rifle has a lot of features which are very important for the shooter. It comes with a very strong aluminium bipod, which is adjustable in height and also fixable, so the rifle stands really strong. Adjustable cheek piece, adjustable butt plate, and even a little monopod integrated into the buttstock with a very fine adjustment when you're in prone position. It also features the 20 MOA top Picatinny rail and has various Picatinny rails on the side, and also some can be mounted on the UIT rail at the foreend. The rifle also comes with a synthetic magazine, 10 rounds in the 308, 7.62, 8 rounds in the 300 Win Mag, and 6 rounds in the 338 La Pure. It is available with different barrel lengths. Here we see the 20-inch 508mm barrel available in the 7.62. The 338 La Pure has a 690mm barrel, and the 308 is also available with the 635mm barrel. Next is the STEYR SSG 08A1. The SSG 08A1 also comes in caliber 7.62, 300 Win Mag, and 338 La Pure. It has the same features as the SSG 08, only with an even improved buttstock. As you can see, it has a very long extended Picatinny rail with 20 minutes of angle, which allows you to mount inline night vision, thermal vision, or whatever accessories required. The buttstock has the same adjustments as the SSG 08, but additionally, you can also adjust the length of pull. So you're really prepared for any mission. If you, for example, have to wear protective vests, winter, summer, can be easily adjusted to the shooter's needs. It also comes with a dust cover, which you normally know from assault rifles. This protects the bolt from getting dirty through sand, ice, mud, or any other outer influences. So the system is completely protected and will always work. Let's come to our multi-caliber rifles, the STEYR SSG M1 series. The SSG M1 is available in 3 calibers: 6.5 Creedmoor, 7.62 .308 Winchester or .338 Lapua Magnum. And all these three calibers can be shot out of one system just by changing the barrel, the bolt, and the magazine. To switch from 6.5 Creedmoor to .308, you only have to switch the barrel. Due to this fact, the rifle can also be very easily cleaned because taking the barrel out can be done on a field level and also exchanged for maintenance purposes. The SSG M1 is available in three colors: flat dark earth, black, and OD green. Now let's have a look at the features. Starting from the front, again it has a very effective muzzle brake, in this case which accepts ASI Ultra suppressors. But of course any other muzzle brake can be mounted. It has a very long handguard or forend with M-lock, so any M-lock accessories can be mounted on the rifle. The top Picatinny rail has 30 minutes of angle, so especially for the .338 Lapua, shooting up to 1200 meters is absolutely no problem. The buttstock is fully adjustable and spring-loaded, so in the prone position it can be put into position, even the length of pull. The butt plate itself can be adjusted in height and even prepared for an encountered shot. The rifle also features the dust cover known from the SSG 08A1, and it has a folding stock which folds to the right. One very important feature is the magazine and the way of reloading. The rifle has a steel magazine with 10 rounds in all three calibers. And very important, it can be loaded from the side, so you don't have to move the rifle. A very low profile reloading. So the shooter can always aim, observe the target without moving the rifle while changing the magazine. The safety of the rifle is ambidextrous, so can be operated from both sides. The red dot is used for firing the rifle. One white dot blocks the trigger, but you can open the bolt and reload the rifle in a safe position. Two white dots are the locking position. In this position, the trigger is blocked and you cannot open the bolt. Additionally now, you could put the bolt handle closer to the stock, which also puts the firing pin out of the hole, and therefore it's extremely protected. To take out the bolt, you have to open it, fold the stock a little bit, go back to the locking position, and take the bolt out, for example for cleaning or changing the barrel. The trigger of the rifle is fully adjustable, even in length. That means if you shoot with gloves or without gloves, it can be really adjusted to the shooter's hands. Of course, it is a direct trigger, very crisp and adjustable. To take the barrel out, for example for changing the caliber, maintaining the rifle or just for cleaning purposes, you have to open the bolt, put it in the rear position. On the left side there is one screw which you have to open. The rifle comes with a Torx, it's a TX30. Open it until you feel that it's getting stronger, and then go further. Now you can use the hook wrench which comes with the rifle to open the nut. By unscrewing the nut until it gets loose, you will be able to take the barrel out. This can of course be done easily even on the field. Putting it back is as easy. Put the barrel in. There's one position where the barrel is fixed. Find this position so you cannot turn it anymore. Put the nut back and screw it back in. At first with your fingers until you can use the hook wrench. Tighten the nut. And then clockwise turn the screw again. And that's it.